Good morning students. In polynomials our fourth topic is factor theorem and factorization. First, if you want to understand factor theorem, you should know about remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? Remainder theorem, if p of x is a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, if it is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is in the form of p of a. And what is b? A is remainder theorem. What is b? If p of a is, if remainder is equal to 0, if p of a is equal to 0, then you can say x minus a is the factor of p of x. First I will tell you 7, I am dividing 7 with 2. 2 3s are 6. What is the remainder here? Remainder is 1. What is, this is dividend, this is quotient, this is divisor. You know Euclid division algorithm, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is Euclid's division lemma? Division algorithm. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You see, how will you get this 7? 7 or dividend, how will you get? See, divisor 2 into, what is quotient here? 3. What is remainder here? 1. 2 3s are 6 plus, what is the remainder here? 1 is the remainder. 2 3s are 6 plus 1. You are getting 7. Dividend, how will you get? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then what is remainder theorem? If p of x, the degree of p of x is greater than or equal to 1, it may be quadratic, linear or cubic or nth degree polynomial. When it is divided by, when this polynomial or the degree of the polynomial should be greater than or equal to 1. When it is divided by x minus a, this is linear polynomial, divided by x minus a, what is the remainder you are going to get? It should be in the form of p of a. Here you will get q of x. This is quotient, this is divisor, this is remainder, this is dividend. See, dividend p of x, how will you get dividend? You see, Euclid division lemma. What is Euclid division algorithm? Dividend is equal to divisor. What is divisor here? X minus a is the divisor. X minus a into, what is quotient here? It is in the form of qx plus, what is the remainder? Remainder should be in the form of p of a. That is remainder theorem. Next, what is factor theorem? This is a. Remainder theorem is remainder. Theorem is a. What is b? If this remainder is equal to, it is in the form of, it should be in the form of p of a. That is remainder theorem. If this remainder, we have to prove remainder is equal to p of a. How? I will tell you. If this remainder is equal to 0, then if p of a is equal to 0, what is b part? If p of a is equal to 0, then you can say, then x minus a is factor of p of x. If you want to understand, I will give 6. I will take 2 3s are 6. What is the remainder you are getting? 0 remainder. You can say 2 is the, here you can write 2 is factor of 6. Here you see 2 is not the factor of 7. Here you are getting remainder as 1. That's why you are not getting you are not getting remainder as 0. That's why 2 is not the factor of 7. Here you can say 2 is the factor of 6 because you got the remainder 0 as the remainder. That is remainder theorem. Up to this remainder theorem, we have to prove remainder is equal to P of A if P of x divided by x minus A and quotient is in the form of Q of x. Remainder you should show P of A. First I will write, see, we are dividing P of x with x minus A. If when it is divided, means first you write dividend Euclid's division algorithm. What is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus a remainder. That is Euclid's division algorithm. Now first if you want to understand this one, first I will take P of x. What is dividend here? P of x. P of x is equal to, what is divisor here? Is x minus a into, what is the quotient? Quotient is in the form of Q of x plus, what is the remainder? We have to show remainder is equal to P of a because it is, we are dividing P of x, a polynomial, with a linear polynomial x minus a. The remainder should be in the form of P of a. First roughly I will tell you how you will get P of a. See, first what I have to do? See, x minus a. We have to find the remainder. We have to make it 0. You see, how can you make it 0? How can you make it 0? Put x is equal to a. You have to substitute x is equal to a in this one. A minus a, 0. 0 into Q of a, 0. Then you will get the remainder. Now it implies P of x is equal to, you are putting x is equal to a minus a into Q of a plus remainder you have to find. Then you see P of x is equal to a minus a, 0. 0 into Qa, 0 plus remainder. Now what you have to do? Implies, here you have to substitute a. P, put x is equal to a. Put x is P of a. See here you see, what is the remainder? R plus 0. Remainder plus 0, R. Remainder 1. Remainder is equal to P of a you are getting. This is remainder. See, what is remainder theorem? P of x is divided by x minus a. You are getting the remainder is in the form of P of a. See, I want to make you understand the remainder is in the form of P of a. First I will take a x square minus 5x plus 6. I will divide it with a linear polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, the degree of this polynomial, it is in the P of x is quadratic polynomial. I am dividing it with a linear polynomial. The degree is 2, that is greater than or equal to 1. Then now x square by and x square by x cancel. You have to multiply with x into x square, x into 2 plus 2x. I am subtracting this from this. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Here minus. Plus x square minus x square cancel. Minus 5x minus 2x minus 7x. I am taking down plus 6. Now you have a doubt, sir, why did you change the signs? Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Why did you change the signs? I am subtracting this from this. You see, if you want minus 5x, I am subtracting x square plus 2x from x square plus 2x. I am I am subtracting x square plus 2x from x square minus 5x. You see, x square minus 5x minus x square minus into plus minus 2x. You see, plus x square minus x square cancel, minus 5x minus 2x minus 7x. I got the same minus 7x. You see, plus became minus, plus became minus. Now what I have to do? Minus 7x by x, minus 7x by x. X cancel, you got minus 7. I will multiply it with x minus x plus 2 with minus 7. Minus 7 into x, minus 7x, minus into plus minus 40. I am subtracting this from this. Minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. Minus 7x plus 7x cancel. Plus 6 plus 40, you got 20. Remainder is in the, remainder is 20. See what I told you? If p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6, when it is divided by x plus 2, what is the remainder you are going to? It is in the form of p of minus 2. If it is divided by x minus 2, what is the remainder? P of 2. If it is divided by x plus 2, it is the remainder is p of minus 2. If it is divided by x plus 10, the remainder is p of minus 10. Now you see what is it is we are dividing p of x by x minus a. What is the remainder? P of a. If it is minus a, if we divide it with x minus a, here you are getting plus a. I am dividing with x plus 2. What is the remainder? P of minus 2. I will substitute p of minus 2 here. The remainder, what remainder you should get? Remainder should be 20. You see, minus 2 whole square, 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 square means 4. Minus into minus plus 5 to 10 plus 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. What is the remainder? P of minus 2, 20. Now you can say, see, you are not getting P of here, P of minus 2, it is not equal to 0. You are not getting the remainder as 0. That's why you can say x plus 2, you can write here x plus 2 is not the factor of x square minus 5x plus 6. You can say x plus 2 is not factor. The remainder is 0. You can say x plus 2 is the factor of x square minus 5x plus 6. Now you understood. Directly, no need to do the division. When this x square minus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 2, no need to divide it with this one. Just substitute. If you want to find remainder, just substitute p of minus 2. You are getting 20. Within 30 seconds you can do. No need to do division. That is the specialty of remainder theorem. Now next, this is part A. This is A. And what is B? We have, you see, p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x plus what is the remainder? I am taking the same equation. What is the remainder you got when it is divided by x minus a? You got the remainder p of a. You write p of a. What is the part? What is part B? If remainder is equal to 0, then you can say x minus a is a factor of p of x. How you see? Now you taking p of a is equal to 0. I will substitute p of a is equal to 0 in this one. You see, this implies p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x plus what is the remainder? P of a is equal to 0. You substitute 0 here. What happens? You see, p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x. You see, now you can say x minus a is a factor of p of x because you got remainder as 0, and q of x is also factor of, you can write here x minus a. Also you can write q of x is also factor of p of x. I want to make you understand why it is like that. See, I am dividing 6 with 2. 2 3s are 6. What is the remainder you are going to get? 0 is the remainder. You can say 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 is the factor of 6. 3 is also a factor of 6. Like that, the remainder, because remainder is 0. Now same problem I will take, same example I will take. I will divide it with x minus 2 here. I will rub this one. Same example I will take. See, I am taking the same example, but I changed, instead of x plus 2, I changed it x minus 2. X minus 2 into, see, here x square by x, x square by x, I am multiplying with x into x square, x into 2 minus 2x. I am subtracting this from this, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus x square minus x square cancel, minus 5x plus 2x, minus 3x. I am taking down 6. Now minus 3x by x cancel. We should multiply with minus 3, so that you will get minus 3x. Minus 3 into x, minus 3x. Minus into minus, plus 3 2s are 6. Subtract. Minus becomes plus, plus became minus. Plus minus 3x plus 3x cancel. Plus 6 minus 6 cancel. What is the remainder you are going to get? Remainder is 0. You see here, now I will take p of, I am dividing x square minus 5x by x minus 2. What is the remainder you got? 0. Here also, by using remainder theorem, if when it is divided by x minus 2, what is the remainder you are going to get? P of 2. Here minus 2 is there, no? P of 2 is the remainder. 2 whole square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 2 square means 4. 5 2s are 10 plus 6. Here you see 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. X plus 2 is not a factor of, here what I have to do? X minus 2, here we can write x minus 2, we got remainder as 0. Then you can say x minus 2 is the factor of x square minus 5x plus 6, because we got, by remainder theorem I have substituted, when it is divided by x minus 2, what is the remainder? P of 2. I substituted, instead of x I have substituted x is equal to 2, then I got the remainder. If I get the remainder, if we get the remainder as 0, then you can say x minus 2 is the factor of x square minus 5x. This is factor theorem. What is p of x here? P of x, it is a quadratic polynomial. I am taking a quadratic polynomial p of x. I will divide it with x minus 2, so that the remainder is in the form of p of 2. How? Now p of x is equal to, I will take p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. I will divide it with x minus 2. I have already divided with x minus 2. Quotient you got x minus 3. Remainder is in the form of p of 2. How? I will explain. See, you know, this is dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is divisor here? X minus 2 is the divisor. And what is the quotient here? X minus 3 plus what is the remainder? Remainder we have to find. It is in the form of P of 2. See, P of x is equal to. Now you put, I want to find remainder. Remainder is in the form of P of 2. I have to show. See, put here, put x is equal to, I want to make it 0. To make it 0, to find remainder, I have to make it 0. To find how to make it 0, put x is equal to 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 into x minus 3, 0. 0 plus remainder, you will get remainder. Put x is equal to 2 here. You have to put x is equal to 2 in this. Here I put x is equal to, put x is equal to a. I put x is equal to a. It is a. Put x is equal to a. A minus a. It became 0. 0 plus r. You got remainder is in the form of P of a. Similarly, we will get remainder is in the form of P of 2. See, put x is equal to 2. P of 2 is equal to x is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 3 plus remainder. Remainder we have to show it is in the form of P of 2. You see, P of, you substitute in place of x, you have to substitute 2 here. P of 2 here. You see, I have substituted P of a, x is equal to a. Similarly, you have to put x is equal to a in this equation. P of 2 is equal to 2 minus 2, 0. 0 into 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus r. You see, P of 2, you got 0 into minus 1, 0. 0 plus r. You got, what is the remainder you got here? P of 2. You got P of 2 is the remainder. Then similarly like that, when any polynomial P of x divided by x minus a, the remainder is in the form of P of a. When it is divided by x minus 2, the remainder will be in the form of P of 2. We will directly, no need to divide like this, just you see, P of 2 again I will tell you, P of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. P of, what is x here? X, we have to substitute x is equal to 2 because you are dividing with x minus 2. P of 2, 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 2 square means 4, 5 2s are 10 plus 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. What is the remainder you got? P of 2, remainder is 0. Then you can say x minus 2 is the factor of P of x.